How to enable all text messages notifications on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable all text messages notifications on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it and then click notifications, and then scroll down until you find text messages. And as you see here, you will find text messages, notifications, settings, and now all you need to do is just turn it on. And that's it, just turn everything on and then go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.